Hello. Okay, so ignore the absolute disaster that is my face and hair, but that's the whole point of getting ready, because we have to figure out how to make it look good. So first I'm going to take the Tatcha silk canvas. Well, actually, first I'm going to use this Wet n Wild cucumber water. It's like a primer water, but like I just use it to like refresh my face. I'm going to do that first, and then I'll put the Tatcha stuff on. I don't know how much this works, like as like a primer or like a setting spray, but I just know that it smells really good and it makes my face feel really nice. I don't know how much I trust like primer sprays, but whatever. I'm gonna take the silk canvas. I just take a back of like any brush literally and just dig out into it. I feel like I either use too much product or too little. So yeah, I've just been lately really been like tearing through this, and so probably not the best, but it just makes my skin feel really nice. My skin has been looking real bad lately. I don't know what it is. Maybe, I feel like I haven't been drinking as much water as I do when I'm in New York, so that could be it. But also I've been testing out a lot of different skin products just because I want to see, like, I don't know, I want to test out other stuff than what I use all the time, so that also could be it. But then because I'm testing out so many different things, I don't know what the like source is of like what the problem is. Anyways, this is the NYX brow pencil in taupe. This is a brand new one. I literally just bought it. And yeah. I was looking back at pictures of me from high school, which I would like to note wasn't that long ago. I graduated only 2 years ago. But dude, my eyebrows have come such a long way, and I feel like I still haven't perfected like what my ideal brow is yet, because I fluctuate so much with how I like to do them. Like, I am consistent with the products, but I feel like I fluctuate with how I like the application process. And so I still don't really know what my like ideal brow is. Like, this is pretty good, but like I feel like it's too blocky in the front, and like it's not as blended as I want it to be. So yeah, but anyways, I was looking back at pictures, and I used to do my eyebrows really dark, and I couldn't be told shit, like, by people. Like, if they were like, maybe your eyebrows are a little too dark, I'd be like, that's funny. This concealer, like, eyebrow trick, it's not a trick because everyone knows how to do it, but like, this is my favorite part about doing my brows, and so many people have stopped doing it, but I don't know, I love the way that this just cleans and like highlights the brow basically. Like, I already feel like that helped so much. I don't know, it could be just like, what's the word, kind of like the placebo effect. Like, it could just like not do anything, and I just like doing it so much that I feel like it does something. That's probably it. If you all could see my desk right now, like my vanity, I know that I'd be like shunned into oblivion. Like, it's so messy. Like, I literally came home from school a month ago and I still haven't unpacked my brushes or my my main makeup. Like, I unpacked all of the, like, the way I bring my stuff to and from New York, because I do them in like Ziploc bags. And I've unpacked all of the big things, like all of my drawers are filled again, but like my main makeup, I still have like 3 travel size things on here. I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 palettes stacked on top of each other right there, and then 3 stacked over there. My brushes are all still in a Ziploc bag. I've literally just been using the brushes that I've had at home. Our primer is set, but I don't want to do the face because I want to do like a purpley eyeshadow look. So I'm going to put eye primer on. If I can find it. There it is. It's just in one of my 3 travel bags. Okay, gal exploded. Hey, we can calm down, maybe. What the? Oh, that was way too much. Oh, that was way too much. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, got a little excessive there. It like exploded. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so mad if I paid money for that and then it's all gonna be like wasted by the time that I go to use it again. Great. Everything's looking very bold right now. Very bold. Okay, I'm gonna use the Norvina palette. And this is where it gets interesting. Because this is where I need to figure out what brushes I have from home that I can use without making my, oh shit, without making my shit look weird. So I'm gonna take the color Incense, which is just like that neutrally brown color, basically just like the transition color that they needed to put into the palette. And I'm taking that on this Anastasia brush actually that comes with these palettes. It's not a super great blending brush. I don't really know why I grabbed that because I have my other good blending brushes right next to me. But here we are. Actually, that didn't blend too bad. I'm gonna take the color Soul, which is the purpley color, and I think I'm just gonna press that all over the eye. We'll put it on the outskirts first and then see if that's the move. Yeah. Yeah. I like where that's going. Just to go crazy, go stupid, am I right? Gotta throw them off their rhythm. What's that fucking John Mulaney quote? I can't remember it exactly, but something like that, like throw them off their rhythm or whatever. So with this brush, I'm gonna dip into Eccentric, which is just like the warm orangey color, and I'm gonna use that to just like warm up that blend a little bit. I like where this is at right now. Like I feel like it's pretty soft. I'm gonna do like a little bit more of Eccentric, but, or Eccentric, I don't know how the fuck you're supposed to say that. But like, I like that this is like a subtle glam. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this like eye glitter thing and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. It's more of like a pinky glitter. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my finger and just like tap into it, kind of. I do like this rolling method on the back of my hand just to make sure like I'm getting like any excess kind of off. And then we're just gonna tap that on the lid. And it's picking up the purple undertones because of the purple that we laid down. So it's not looking like a pink eyeshadow or a pink glitter like it does like right on the hand, you know? I don't know. This is like a lip brush, but I'm just gonna take that and press it in. This is actually the perfect brush for this, but it does have lipstick on it, so I'm just gonna keep it on the clean side. I'm gonna do my little lash line. I don't do under eye concealer, which some people don't fuck with, but like unless I'm going full beat, I'll do under eye concealer, but like I don't love doing it just I don't know, maybe I will do it. This sponge has a year's worth of product in it, so that's gross. I'll do like a touch of under eye concealer, but I'm not gonna, I don't want to go ham. Okay, and suddenly I'm going ham. Okay, I don't use this concealer on my face ever. I don't know why I decided to go for it suddenly. Okay. A little weird. Okay. This has been my method as of late of how I do my face makeup, which some people might think is super fucking dumb. And I agree. I don't really know why I've been doing this instead of just doing foundation like a normal person. But I've just kind of been doing like just like multiple concealers. I don't know. I don't really know why I do this. I have no explanation at all. I cannot explain my actions. I don't even know why I do them. And then I'll just blend that in with a brush. Usually I like to let it sit for a minute, but this little moussey concealer dries so fucking weird. Actually, the concealers that I used were NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer. That's the really light one. And then the like this color one, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but like this one that's like less peachy is the NYX HD concealer in Porcelain, which used to be my BFF in high school. And then the like more peachy one is Porcelain LA Pro Conceal, which is my favorite one, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Yeah, and then I don't know what brush this is. This is a BH Cosmetics 113 brush. And this is why I don't do under eye concealer. What the fuck is it doing? Why can't it just be normal? I don't understand. What the fuck? Oh my word. I'm a dumb bitch. I'm a dumb bitch. Yup. I have to leave in 30 minutes. And I haven't even done my hair yet. So, rolled on. How much time do I have? I might just take all of this off. Like, I look fucking whack, dude. I look whack. I'm gonna put primer on, and then we're gonna fix my eyes, and, yeah, because I don't know why I went so fucking wild, because that's not at all what I wanted to do. I literally wanted to keep this like a natural looking beat, sort of. As natural as like a glittery beat can be, but I don't know, I didn't want to do a full face. I don't know why I went fucking crazy. Okay, well, so we have like concealer in our eyes right now, basically, so we need to fix that. We need to address what's going on in the eyes, do the lower lash line, because I'm not doing under eye concealer. I don't know why I went fucking wild. Girl's gone wild. Yeah, so we're gonna fix this blend for a second. And then, okay. We can do this. I'm gonna take a Centric on the lower lash line. Oh my god. I do not have time to be making a fool of myself. So I don't know why I thought I could. One on a little bit. I'm gonna take that fucking glittery son of a bitch and put it in the corner of my eyeball. I need to find the fucking brush that I use. Sick, cool. All I'm trying to do is impress a 77-year-old man. Yeah, he's about 77. He's 77 or 76, but I think he's 77. Okay. Sick. Okay. I'm gonna do my facey face. Not gonna use that fucked up NYX concealer. We're not using that one. No, thank you. I don't have time to be a Berlin. I'm using the non-glittery side of my sponge to just blend these bad boys in. Okay, just gonna set a little bit. Okay, I just set a lot of it. Where is my eyelash curler? There it is. Okay. Okay. Actually, that would be bad. I just put glitter on. That would be bad. So I'm going to contour a little bit, but not really. I'm going to use this Pixie blush that I love. It's called Beach Rose. And I like using this, actually, as a blush and a contour. It's so broken. So broken. But it gives me the look that I want, which is like warm but still flush, you know? So I put it where I would put my contour basically, and just tap it out, and then if I want like another blush on top, then I'll do that. But this is like the perfect oh, okay, this is like the perfect like contour and or blush mix for mwah. Okay, and then the blush that I have been loving lately is the Alamar Cosmetics blushes, and I mix Scorcher and Castaway, which is like the peachy one and then the orangey one, and I mix those and just apply it because they're still like a nice summery bronzy moment, so it still doesn't feel too blushy for me. I used to hate this look on people, but now I'm a big fan. And yeah, it might brush away the makeup on your nose and make your nose look really cakey, but who says? Basically just putting blush anywhere because that's what I like to do now. Okay. Why do I look crazy and stupid? Oh, I haven't put mascara on. That would be a good reason. That would be a good reason. It's why I look like I'm a fucking freak. Okay, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. If you're lucky, you'll still have mascara on from the night before. Sick. Cool. Looking like a frickin' porcelain doll. Okay. I need something. Why do I feel like this looks wrong? Like, I feel like my eyes just look incorrect. Like, I want something. We need highlighter, and then I need to spray my face, and then I have to go do my other shit. Where is my highlight? There it is. Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. This has been my favorite highlighter lately. I've been using it so much. It's so good. Where is my highlight brush? I'm gonna lose my mind. There it is. It's really good. It's like a duochrome-y kind of. I don't know. I went a little ham for a second there, but it's fine. Okay. Sick. The makeup is done. I haven't done lips, but I'll do lips at the end. I'm gonna just test out this sprayer for a second. Sick. Sick. Okay. I'm gonna go change and fix my hair, and then I'll do my lips. And okay, this is the finished look. My hair, I kind of attempted to curl it, but then it ended up falling out, and there was this whole thing. But I have this little bandana thing in. I put a little lip gloss on, and yeah. Okay, I have to run because I'm running late, but this is the look. Bye.